Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to build a list in Apollo.io. Let's begin. Apollo.io is a comprehensive sales intelligence platform that provides data-driven solutions for sales and marketing teams. Now, it offers a tool of designs to help businesses find and engage with potential customers more effectively. Because it's one of the best key features of Apollo is lead generation, prospecting, email automation, CRM integration, and analytics. Now, building a list in Apollo.io for lead generation involves several steps, and the first thing you need to do is, if you haven't already, click the sign up option. All right. Now, from here, as you can see, you can sign up for Apollo free forever. You can find, contact, and close your ideal buyers with over 275 million contacts and streamline engagement workflows powered by AI. Now, you can put your business or working email or personal email if you wanted. But of course, you need to click the agreements here, the terms and conditions. But if I were you, if you have a Google account or a Microsoft account, you might want to speed up the process. And for example, if you click the Microsoft option here, what will happen is you will be forwarded to your Microsoft account. All you're going to do is click your account here, put your credentials, and follow the on-screen instructions. Inside the Apollo dashboard, you need to determine the criteria for your ideal leads. Of course, this may include factors like industry, company size, job title, location, and a lot more. For example, we're going to click on the search button here. And we wanted to search specific people that we wanted to send email to or build your contact, because we are going to create a list for now for lead generation. All right. So I'm going to put something that has something to do with real estate. All right. Now, let me tell you from here, if you just hit enter, what will happen is you'll get a massive 867.9 thousand contacts. And you don't want to do that, because what will happen is the credits that you have here, they're just gonna be burning all of them for nothing. It'll become spammy, and it's gonna be a lot hard to deal with the replies. Now, what we can do is, of course, refine our search. So we have the advanced settings here. As you can see, you can include all list, my team, but we're not gonna do that. We will go to the persona, but that requires a different subscription. Let's head over to the job titles. All right. Now, for the job titles, for example, in the real estate industry or niche, you might want to tick in the owner or the decision makers, and something like director. Okay. We want to make sure that they have like a voice, or they can make the decisions for the company itself that they're looking for, not the realtor per se. All right. Now, in terms of the management level, you can also check in if it's going to be owner, founder, in absence, because normally owner doesn't really negotiate in terms of the email if they perceive it as spam. So you might want to go for other options like VP, head, director, and partners. Okay. After doing that, you might want to dive into the departments and job function. For example, no, we're not going to be heading to this one. Let's skip that. Now, if you are looking for a specific company, right here, you can put that. For example, you're looking for a real estate company in in California, in New York, or in probably like in Denver. So it's up to you, right? But for now, we're gonna skip with this one. You can also include list of companies if you wanted. For example, you don't want to deal with that if it's not part of your lead generation thing. You can include that as well, or exclude a list of companies if you want to just save and search. All right. Now, in terms of the location, now this is going to be up to you. For example, we're going only for United States, and you can also exclude locations. Now it's we might want to trim this down into, for example, I don't know, let's try California for now. Okay, yeah, there you go. I still have like 6,000. But again, from here you can try to predefine range. All right. Now I'm looking for a real estate company that has around maybe 21 to 50. All right. Now the list becomes a lot easier to manage because I got like 628 contacts. This is going to be a lot easier to manage. All right. And after that, you can also set the industry and keywords to refine the searches. I'm going to be looking for, well, they don't have the commercial real estate or industrial real estate right here. We will see if we have that. There you go. There's real estate. You can also go to the advanced settings. For example, you can add more like company keywords. For example, I'm going to be commercial. You can put that. Add commercial. There you go. You see the company size had been reduced to a handful of contacts, right? For example, industrial. You put that. Okay. Now, you can also check for the technologists, but that's going to be for the more advanced kind of searches. So we're using the free trial. Now, you can save and search when you click that up. All right. You can manage the visibility to public or private. You can enter your name here and save and search. Now, from here, if you wanted to export this list that you have created, okay, all you're gonna do is click on import contacts. All right, bulk from import from CSV, table layouts, and a lot more. But you have to realize that you need to view plans first if exporting this is gonna be part of the free trial. As you can see, for free trial, you can only have 120 export credits per year. So you're gonna be burning all of the contacts if you're not wise and strategic about that. But of course, if you think Apollo.io is a tool that could bolster your lead generation strategy, you might want to go for the basic plan, which is $49 per month, but you get unlimited email credits and 12,000 export credits per year and 900 mobile number credits per year. All right. And again, they have, I believe they have like a free trial for now, and then you can cancel if you think it's not worth it. And always remember that to comply with relevant data privacy regulations when collecting and using contact information for lead generation processes. And the thing is, I believe Apollo.io is one of the best platforms in terms of lead generation because I always use this a lot to get contacts and leads to specific industries and niche. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.